my YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to fix Birdfy at firmware update failed and troubleshoot and retry the update. So guys, to fix the firmware update failed, first of all you optimize your Wi-Fi connection. So guys, firmware update require the fast and the stable connection. So move the camera, bring the Birdfy camera indoor and place it to the next to your home router during the update process. Ensure your phone and the camera are connected to 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. The update may fail if your router tries to route the device on 5 GHz band. Check the battery level. If the camera loses the power during the firmware update, so it can seriously malfunction or breaks the device. And fully charge. So guys, plug the camera in and allow it to charge for at least few hours before attempting to update again. Then unplug the camera from the charger before starting the firmware update, but ensure the battery icon in the Birdfy app shows a high charger, probably 50% or the higher. Then guys, another fix is power cycle and the hard reset. So guys, clearing the device temporary memory often fix the update hangups. So first you reboot, use the pin to gently press the reset or reboot button located next to the power port. And if you want to do hard reset, so if rebooting does not work, so press and hold the power button for 3 seconds to turn it off, then turn it back on. Then guys, reinstall your Birdfy app. Sometimes the firmware file is blocked or corrupted in the app cache, so uninstall the Birdfy app from your smartphone, then restart your phone and download and install the latest Birdfy app from the App Store or the Google Play Store. Then log back into your account and try running the update from the device setting menu. Fifth one is mobile hotspot method. If your home mesh network or the router has firewall settings that block the update, so you can bypass it using your phone cellular data. Turn on your phone hotspot on the secondary phone or the device. Connect to your primary phone with the Birdfy app to the hotspot. Reconnect your Birdfy camera to the hotspot and run the firmware update. Once it's successfully, you can reconnect the camera to Wi-Fi network. So guys, thank you.